Let's take a look at this example. This time we're supposed to find the current which will flow through the resistor R4. Please notice that I total is given, I1 is given, I2 is given, and I3 is given. I'm going to use KCL to solve the value of current I. Keep in mind that KCL says, for parallel circuit of course, that I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4 is equal I total. Okay, in other words, the sum of these four currents are going to give me I total. Okay, but I do not have I4. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply move I1, I2, and I3 to the other side of my equal sign, and I'm going to solve this equation for I4. Of course, I'm going to use algebra. So if I4 is equal I total minus I1 minus I2 and minus I3. So I have 300 milliamps minus 40 milliamps minus 100 milliamps minus 120 milliamps. Okay, and I'm going to write my answer over here, I4. Again, the numbers are very simple, but I'm going to use the calculator anyway, just to practice with you. Okay, the steps, how these values supposed to be entered into the calculator. So I have 300 exponent 3 negative minus 40 exponent 3 negative minus 100 exponent negative 3 minus 120 exponent 3 negative. Okay, so other words, 300 milli minus 40 milli minus 100 milli minus 120 milli. If you do this in your head, is perfect, but I do this on the calculator just for those of you who have difficulties with entering these values into the calculator. So press enter, and I got 40 times 10 to negative 3. It means that my answer is 40 milliamps. So my I4 is equal 40 milliamps. This is my solution.